शिवशक्तिसमारम्भां भास्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मत्श्रीनाथपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीमात्रे नमः। Dear devotees, we are coming to the end of our Navaratri Mahotsava celebrations, which has been done time immemorial by all the people, those who are believing Mother is going to protect us at all times. Even it has been mentioned in Devi Bhagavatam, the first Navaratri Utsava was celebrated by Lord Rama. You will be surprised that he is not started to celebrate when he is in Ayodhya. When he came to the forest along with his wife and brother Lakshmana, after completing the Vanavasas 13 years, they were all very happy going to complete next year and living so happily in the Panchavati ashrama. They have never thought a big calamity is going to strike. And Sita was abducted by Ravana. That everybody knows. Actually, that was one of the purpose of Ramavatara. That is, he should kill Ravana and Kumbhakarna so that he can establish again the Sanatana Dharma or the religious rule on the world. That is the Yada Yada Hi Dharmasya Klaniyan Bhaviti Bharata. Whenever there is some obstruction for the dharmic life, then that is the job of the God. He has to come down from his abode and take avatara and restore the order. Same thing has been told in chapter 11th in Devi Mahatmya, when all devas are requesting her. One shloka they have requested, the last. Sarva Badha Prasamnam Trilokyasya Khileshwari Evameva Tvaya Karyam Aspat Vairi Vinasanam. Whenever there is a problem for them that has been created by evil forces, in order to remove that all problems, the root cause has to be eliminated, that is the evil forces, then God has to come. That is the request by the Devas. Devi is telling, I will do. That is, there is no qualifying class. Okay? Whenever there is a problem for you, to safeguard all the people, including the sages, and to continue the good activity, I will come down. Yada yada hi dharmasya here. Tada tada avatiryaham karishyami arisham chayam. That is, he is completing the Varadana he is giving to all the devatas. Now, same thing, even the problem comes to for devatas, the only remedy is for them is to do Saranagati and get the blessings of Devi, and she will do the rest. That is the main theme here. The moment Lord Rama landed in a problem and there is no way to find where Sita has been kept in custody. Then Narada Maharishi suggested to Lord Rama, why you are suffering because of this dukkha? That is dukkarti harini. Whenever you suffer because of anything, your mind is affected. You couldn't do anything further. The only remedy is to do the Saranagati to Devi. He says, you perform the Navaratri Utsava or Navaratri Vrata. That is, you do every day Parayanam Puja and do Suvasini Puja, Kanya Puja, all sort of things, all heaven and other things. And Devi will come for your help immediately. That is, the reference has been there in Devi Bhagavatam. Rama is conducted Navaratri Mahotsava, and end of the day, after the 9 days, on Vijay Dashami days, and he's got the Vardhan, and he will overcome Ravana, and he can restore Sita back to the original position. That is the thing is got by Devi herself has given her that Vardhan to the Lord Rama. So that now, even Ramayana days, even in Mahabharata days, before going to the war, in Mahabharata also, they have worshipped Durga, Durgarti Nachini. So that whenever you have problem, you have to worship the Devi. And the most auspicious time to worship the Devi is, again it is coming in Devi Mahatma itself, in Sarat Navaratri or in Vasanta Navaratri. That is the most auspicious days you can do the Devi. Now, you must have seen, now we have done the Pada Puja and the day 1. Do the Guru Aradhana. Then we have performed Navaratri Utsava, ending again with the Guru Pada Puja. The unique of this Pada Puja is, you can see in all the Mat also, either Kanchi or all or Sringeri or Dwaraka or everywhere, whenever they will do Pada Puja, they will do Lalita Sahasranama, Tirsati Archana, and other things, all Devis. That clearly shows Guru and Devi are the one. Because you can't see the Devi on your naked eye. It is impossible. There is Koti Surya Prakasam. You can have ordinary sun itself, it is not possible for you to see without the sunglass. Correct? So that to help you and to direct you in proper way, she is taking avatara as your Guru. So that Guru and Devi are one and the same. Even though Guru will do all other activities, at the time of giving the mantra upadesha or performing the divine activities is none other than the Devi herself. That was the reason you must have seen here. We have done only the Avaranarchana Devatas in the Pada Puja, and finally we are doing only the Namaskara. What has been we are doing, because now you are thorough on Devi Mahatmya. We are doing the Sarvamangala Mangalye. That was the 5 Namaskaras we are doing here. And finally ending with Devanatha Guru Swamin. Everything is because of your grace. Please complete our puja also as you are doing all other activities. Because without his grace and kripa, we can't move even a single stick or anything. That is, nothing is possible without his help and his guidance and his grace. And now I am coming to the conclusion. You see, this time, because Devi knows, Guru knows It is not possible for us to sit all 24 hours on the puja mandap because we got 101 other activities that we have to perform. You can't ignore, especially for ladies. It is impossible for them to sit more than 1 hour or half an hour because they got the children to take care of. Husband is there, elderly in-laws are there, atithis are there, guests are there. You have to, that is the most important aspect for them, preparing the food and maintaining the house in proper way. How they can sit and do the Parayana? Now, in Devi Magna is giving the clue for us. He says, you do the japa, Parayana. If possible, please do all the 13 chapters with Angopanga, Ragachatraya and other things, Kavacharka Kelaga, Devi Sukta, or Ratri Sukta, Purva Navarakshi Mantra Japa, Uttaranga Mantra Japa, Namaskara, everything. But is it possible to do every day? Then he is coming. Okay. You do only the Madhyama Charitra. So that is also sometimes not possible. You don't worry. Chapter 12, beginning with, you do only the 4 stotras. Ratri Sukta, Devi Sukta, Sakra Stuti, or Deviya Stuti of 11th chapter. That is, I am happy. Even that is also sometimes not possible. Do only Sapta Sloki. See, where is the time? Even 5 minutes, always I am filled with worries and problems and how to think of you. Okay, do only one sloka. Sarva Sarupe, Sarve say, that is sufficient. You must have seen. Whenever we will do the Sahasra Chandi or Ayudha Chandi and other things, we have to end up with the only one sloka. The sloka is from the chapter 4. Yasya Prabhava Madalam Bhagavan Ananto says it is not possible for you to praise even for Brahma, Vishnu and Rudra. Even they have attempted, it is not possible for them to complete in full. So that how you are expecting me to chant your glory. So that, but still I got my own wish list. So that he says, you always think of me. That is, Yasya Prabhava Madalam Bhagavan Ananto Brahma Haristanahi Bhakta Balam Balancha Sa Chandika Akhila Jagat Paripalanaya. You are going to protect all the world at all times. That is your duty. That I am not going to remind you and other things. But I am also part of this in this world. All the 3 worlds, I am also living in a smallest corner. So that you make me, that is, Nasaya Chasuva Bhayasya Matim Karodu. You just think of me so that I will get rid of my main problem of and death, again birth and death, so that you think, so that that bhaya will be removed, so that I not born again. I will attain your lotus feet. That is the prarthana of this main Devi Mahatmya Stotra. I am coming to the main point is, it is not possible. But you are telling, Sapta Janmarjita Gorehi Brahmahatya Samerevi Patamatrena Mantrana Muchate Sarvakilpishaihi. That means Devi Mahatmya starting with Markandeya Uvacha, ending with Savarnet Bhavita Manoho, that is one mantra. That whole 7 chapter, 13 chapter, all combination only one mantra. Now for one Parayana, it is taking 1 hour 40 minutes. You are experienced, correct? Now Devim Japan Nirantara means how to do continuously every day all 365 days and so many years. Now this time you have achieved because you have got the Shraddha and Bhakti. That is the two main pillars you have got. On that basis, you have achieved, you have chanted 242 hours non-stop. Initially, I thought, how is it possible? Because of the technological advancement and your real Vairagya. Why I am telling Vairagya? See, Bhagavan says, Sarva Karman Parijyajya Mamekam Saranam Bhaja. It is giving advice is easy, but practicing is very, very difficult. But you have achieved. You have removed all your scheduled routine jobs and everybody you have set apart minimum 2 to 3 hours. So that at least I will join in one Parayana. It has been done continuously from all over the world, from nook and corner, starting from morning, next day morning. I was amazing. That is, we can able to complete 101 Parayanas. Each and every Parayana has been attended by so many people. I don't know what is the number, that will come later on. But so many people, they can able to join, they have done on their home. That means the countless Parayanas has been done for the sake of Devi. Now, that is her job to bless us all, remove all our obstacles. Muchyate sarvagilpishaigi. That is removing from all papas. That is her job. She will certainly, they will do. But even the Corona-19 helped us to concentrate more on the puja and parayana and japa and all our good activities. So that this is Devi's creation. Actually, Bhayanasanaha. The same way she has brought this type of calamity. Now it is her job to remove and bring back to the prosperity to the everybody. Certainly she will do. And you have done a wonderful job. I am doing a namaskara to you because having that type of vairagya and bhakti that cannot be purchased, it should come from within, that our Guru's grace. Everybody has got that type of jnana, vairagya and bhakti. Because of that, this was possible. You are able to achieve, which even we can't even think on our dreams that can be done. That is, in 10 days, I have seen so much of Parayana. Any number of lectures and we can do. It is very, very easy. The reason is, you are there. You are there to perform. I am here only to enjoy. I am so happy. God bless you all. Whatever may be your wishes will be fulfilled at the earliest. Never worry about that. Leave everything to her. Do only the namaskara. That is sufficient. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu. Sarvabhishta siddhirastu. Chintita karyani shikrameva jayanukulya siddhirastu. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu. Sri Matre Namaha, Sri Guru Bhyo Om Ashtachakrala Dvara Devanam Purayodhya Tasyagam Hiranmaya Kosha Svargo Loko Jyotisha Vritaha Yo Vedam Brahmano Veda Amritena Vritam Puri Tasmai Brahmaja Brahmaja Ayuh Kirtim Prajam Gadu Chachamayushamaro Yamabita Shobhamanam Mahijate Dhanyam Dhanam Vasum Bhakuputralabham Sadasam Vasaram Dirghamayu सुंदरी प्रसादेन सर्वाभीष्टसिद्धिरस्तु। श्री सद्गुरु प्रसादेन चिंतित कार्याणि शीघ्रमेव जयानुकूल्य सिद्धिरस्तु। उत्तरोत्तरयो विवस्तिरस्तु। सर्व संमंगलानि सन्तु। कृष्ण कृष्ण।